green onions, we have some different color peppers. And all of this will be sauteed quickly in some organic extra virgin coconut oil. And this also will be paired with my mixed vegetables, a little bit of asparagus, broccoli, cauliflower, and baby carrot. And my shrimp will be the protein for this quick stir-fry dish. Hey, listen out, teriyaki shrimp with quick stir-fry vegetables. And so everything now is just added to the pot. And the final thing to add is our shrimp. And quick stir-fry. The next thing is our teriyaki sauce. And we're good to go. And there you have it, folks. Quick and easy teriyaki stir-fried shrimp with vegetables. Done up in some coconut oil, extra virgin coconut oil. Just a quick take on a regular night's dinner. So this is the finished product, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm telling you, nice, can't done. Family, what you say about it?
Well, good. Turn up.
Yeah, them can't talk, cause them mouth full. Rich sauce, teriyaki sauce. And steamed vegetable, well, not steamed, stir fry. We have broccoli, we have asparagus, we have cauliflower, we have different color peppers, we have carrots, and all of that stir fried in some extra virgin coconut oil, and a little bit of teriyaki sauce added. And the wife is say, where I have it with, what you call them, I see?
Homemade garlic bread.
Homemade garlic bread, Lord Jesus, Savior divine. No rice round here, because we're healthy bad. Me say you're cooking Zada is you're cooking turn up. Head a mash up because we're cooking turn up. Alright, enough singing, enough singing.